How to add watermark in Snapseed. So first, just simply click on your Snapseed app to open it. Now, once you're here, click on the plus icon on the middle part to basically select a photo that you want. But I already have selected a photo right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to simply pick a photo. So I'm going to pick this one. Now, if you want to add a watermark, just go to Tools here on the bottom right. So tap on Tools. Then scroll down to the very bottom till you see the double exposure option. Now, once you have selected it, just simply click on the image icon with the plus sign here on the bottom middle. Then select the watermark that you have saved on your phone. So make sure that you have saved your watermark first. So I have mine right here. And I could select the other button besides it, which is this one. So this is the effects or filter section where you can select the type of filter that you want. So you could just simply add it, subtract, or overlay it just like that. And you could also set the opacity. So let's say I want to do this, and I'm going to adjust the image by pinching on the image just like that, and adjust the opacity to blend the image to my liking. And once you're done, just simply tap on the check mark here on the bottom right and close this out. And that is how I basically add a watermark in Snapseed.